Do you know that egusi, melon, can be used for some other things other than cooking soup? I am going to be sharing with you a rare recipe using egusi in this video. Let's get started. Today, I'm going to be making a delicious native snack using this egusi. Okay, this is a video you hardly see on cooking channels. It's hard to see this video I'm going to be making today. It's a native dish in my hometown and it is called Igho. Okay, it's a snack. Melon cake is mostly made during festive season. It's not something that you prepare all the time. Okay, I'm going to be taking you step by step on how to make Igho, and please, I would like you to share this video. Then this one is the seed. Okay, I'm going to be making a tasty native delicacy, healthy, using egusi. Let's get started. We need pepper. This is Cameroon pepper. Usually what we use in my hometown is roasted chili. But since I don't have it, I'm gonna be using Cameroon pepper. Then we have salt. We don't need bouillon, Maggi, no. Another special ingredient here is NCHUANWU scent leaf. Okay, but this is dry one. Okay, you are going to put it as a layer under the wrap you are going to be using. Okay, so it's going to have this scent leaf taste. Everything we are using is a local herbs or spices, no curry powder. So I'm going to transfer it here. This dish is a special dish that is usually prepared during traditional wedding, Christmas, festive season, Easter. It's not something that you prepare regularly, or somebody is doing a very big occasion, then they will prepare it because it is a special dish. Use it to eat abacha. I'm gonna add the salt and the Cameroon pepper. It's mostly spicy, so don't add too much. Okay, add as much pepper as you can handle. All right, then we mix it up. The next thing is to start adding water. Okay, you're going to make a paste. Okay, you add it gradually. You don't want it watery. All right, you don't want it watery. You need it. The consistency. Okay, it's time to mold it. The proper way to mold Igho or to wrap it is using leaves. Usually they use cocoyam, dried preserved cocoyam leaf for it. But since I don't have it, I'm gonna be using foil. You can also use Oma leaf. All right, a layer of leaves with the scent leaf. Okay, cut out some of it. It's gonna add to the taste. Then you wrap it. So we're going to cook this for 3 hours or more until it is properly cooked. Fill it with water, okay? Cover and cook for 3 hours or more. Look at the Igho. It's properly cooked. It's been cooking for a while, for hours. It's ready, okay? Except that we have to put it in the oven, okay, so that it can dry a bit. Okay, normally this is what they do after cooking the Igho. They will put it in a basket, okay, and grill it, like put it over the fire so that it will dry and become firm. In that way, they will preserve it and use it for a longer period. And you know this is melon, okay? We don't want it splitting. It's properly cooked. This is melon cake. So I'm going to put it there and allow it to dry to become firm. All right? So today I prepared a local delicacy recipe from my town, and it is ready. Okay, I tied it with foil, so it's ready. Cooked it for hours, and it's called Igho. This is Osuegusi melon cake. It smells so good. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This is melon. You think you can use it only for soup? No, you can prepare it as a snack, okay? So I'm going to cut it. Look at that. Share it and make it go viral. All right? Look at our tasty, healthy, delicious Igho. We use this to eat abacha. We use it for abacha. Can you see that? Please share this video. All right? Look at that. Look at that. This is melon cake. I called it melon cake. In my dialect, it's called Igho. Look at the scent leaf. Okay? Look at the inside. It's properly cooked. Please share. We've come to the end of this video. Please leave your comments, share, and I will be seeing you once again in my next video. You can snack on this if you want to snack healthy, because this is melon. All right? Bye. God bless you.